So this is the first winter storm of January 2022, and this is Hewitt's daily workout routine. Here on the ground here, there's quite a lot of snow, and it means that I had to shovel a lot, and it means that I had to clear my car. So it means that this is part of Hewitt's daily workout routine, because I have to use muscles. I have to use a little muscles to get it done. So shoveling snow is part of muscle, part of physical activity, the use of muscles. This is part of Hewitt's daily workout routine. And because of that, this video is part of Hewitt's daily workout routine. Here in Philadelphia, there's a lot of snow, but not too much. So I just come take a little walk again, inspect my car and everything, make sure everything is okay, because I'm about to head out. And as you can see around, it's all white out, snow white out. And so I'm about to head back in